Hello, everybody. This is just a brief introduction to our convergence test. I'm not even going to go through them right now, but I just kind of want to lay out the plan for the next series of lectures. So hopefully you've taken a look at the notes. I just called them 11.x convergence testapalooza. It covers section 11.3 through 11.7 in our text, the Stewart Calculus book. The book will go into more detail. We don't need all that detail. We do need to know how to perform these tests. I'm not going to prove them to you, though some of them we've already seen a little bit. I might give a little bit of intuition on them. But we just need to know how to do them. So my plan is to go through the 10 tests we have, this list of convergence tests right here. We've already seen the test for divergence and the geometric series test, or geometric series. We know when that converges. So then we'll introduce the other ones, and I'll do a few examples, at least one example of each, and most of them I'll do a couple of examples. And then just to give you a heads up of where we're going, so the point of all this, I mean, series have importance all over the place, but the main focus we're going to have is for using these series to represent functions, our familiar functions like the exponential and the trig functions and so on and so forth, as these infinite series. And when we do that, these tests let us know how well that series works, right? I've given you a few examples already, and we see that we create these series and they match our functions, but sometimes they only match them in a small range. And these tests can help us understand what range or what domain the series represents the function over. So we'll get into that detail later, but for now, we just want to punch through these and understand how to perform these tests. Again, the book has a lot of detail. Probably most important for us is it has lots of examples and certainly has questions that have answers. The odd ones have answers in the back. So if you want to try a few like that to practice, they're in there. Okay, so I'll start working on some of those and post them soon. Thanks.